breakfast kami.
Musta gabi?
Bagsak.
Siya ang bagsak. Ako di makatulog sa hilik niya. Thank you.
Breakfast time in Smile Hotel in Nara. We woke up at 7 a.m. and our tour starts at 8 a.m. Konti lang ang breakfast meal nila dito at ang tahimik nila kumain maliban sa mga Pinoy. Drinks available are only water, milk, apple juice, and barley tea. After breakfast, nakipagkita na kami sa Pinay tour guide namin na si May at Faye. Our first itinerary is Nara Deer Park, and we went to bus terminal to take a ride. Travel time is only 10 minutes. Since this is tour package, our bus fare is included and being handled by our tour guide. First time to see close up with the deer. May mga crackers kang mabibili dito if you want na pakainin sila. After feeding the deer, we have to walk for a few minutes to go to Todajai Temple. Ang layo niya from the drop-off point.
Sa gilid po, sa left side. Thank you.
This is Todajai Temple, a Buddhist temple complex in Nara, Japan, renowned for housing the world's largest bronze statue of Buddha Vairocana. This is a major UNESCO World Heritage. Outside the temple is the beautiful cherry blossoms. Syempre, picture dito, picture doon. Kasuga Taisha is located in the east of Nara Park, about 30 minutes walk from Kintetsu Nara Station or 45 minutes walk from JR Nara Station. Kasuga Taisha is famous for its lanterns which have been donated by worshippers. There are hundreds of bronze lanterns can be found hanging from the buildings. Lanterns are only lit twice a year during two lantern festival, one in Feb and one in August. Our next itinerary is in Kyoto.
Okay, hello guys. It's our third day here we are in Kyoto na. So pupunta kami sa Fushimi Inari, the Torii Gates.
We walk from the parking area maybe 15 minutes to reach the Fushimi Inari. We went here month of April which is peak season kaya expect po na maraming turista. To avoid too much people, try to go early in the morning or on weekdays. Welcome to Fushimi Inari Shrine, which is in southern Kyoto. It is famous for its thousands of torii gates. The trails lead into the wooded forest of the sacred Mount Inari. The torii gates are donations by individuals and companies, and you will find the donator's name and date of the donation at the back of each gate. The donation amount starts at 400,000 yen for smaller gate and increases to over 1 million for a large gate. After Fushimi Inari Shrine, naglakad kami pabalik ng parking pero syempre kasama na ang food trip.
Auntie, what's that? Pipino.
Tastes good.
Maasim,
Hindi naman.
tamis, or
Okay lang.
as in pipinong fresh?
Yeah. Babad sa salt and vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Our next itinerary is in Kiyomizu-dera, which is one of the most famous and celebrated temple in Kyoto. The three-story pagoda of Kiyomizu-dera is one of the tallest of its kind, standing 31 meters high. Kiyomizu-dera Temple is a place where the deity Kannon is worshipped. You have to remove your shoes before entering the prayer area. These people were lining in Ottawa waterfall to drink the pure water. It is said that this water possesses the power to extend one's life and fulfill one's wishes. Next stop naman is the Golden Pavilion, or known as Kinkakuji. Naglakad kami ng 10 minutes from the main parking to reach the Golden Pavilion. The Golden Pavilion is in northern Kyoto, in which the two top floors are completely covered in gold leaf. The pavilion is an impressive structure built overlooking large pond. This was burned numerous times na, and the present structure was rebuilt in 1955. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pagbili ng food sa convenience store like 7-Eleven. If you are in a hurry and no time to go to a restaurant, this is the best alternative.
Coffee, milk, oats. Fried chicken with chicken vinegar, spinach, carrots, konjac with sesame.
The next day, we check out from Smile Hotel to transfer and check in Osaka. Before we headed to Osaka, nag-tour muna kami sa Kyoto and first stop is Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. We walk around 10 minutes from the parking area to the entrance of Bamboo Grove. Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is open 24 hours and admission is free dahil sa sikat siya, madalas maraming turista. To take full advantage of the forest's serene atmosphere, ang best na pumunta is early in the morning or hapon.
in Kyoto and we are going to Nishiki Market. Let's go!
Nishiki Market is a famous narrow shopping street and food market. It's about 400 meters long, selling Japanese foods and ingredients like fresh seafood, tofu, and sweets and street food snacks. Finally, we check in Crystal Hotel in Namba, Osaka. Our room is bigger than in Nara, big bed, spacious, and with kitchen. Siyempre, makakati ang mga paa namin kaya we stroll agad sa gabi and we went to Dotonbori. This is Don Quixote in Dotonbori at night. This branch has iconic Ferris wheel attached to the building overlooking the canal. This is open 24 hours and the store has a huge selection of Japanese snacks and souvenirs, cosmetics and skincare, electronics, anime, and character goods. Tax-free shopping si Don Quixote basta dalhin mo lang yung passport mo. You don't pay tax at checkout. Minimum purchase is 5,000 yen in one store, same day. Eligible items are electronics, clothes, bags, cosmetics, food, and medicines. Consumables like snacks and skincare will be sealed in a special bag. The next day, Osaka tour naman kami and before we start our day, nag-breakfast muna kami sa hotel. Our next itinerary is Osaka Castle. We walk for 10 minutes from the hotel to Namba Station. We walked 10 to 15 minutes after we got off the train to Osaka Castle. Osaka Castle is one of Japan's most famous landmarks, built in 1500, surrounded by huge stone walls and a massive park.
Ang mga nangangatid pa.
Hello! Last day na namin, pero gagala pa rin kami. Bahala na kung saan kami dalhin ng mga paa.
Ay, ito mga t-shirt ko lang.
2,200.
Ha?
2,200.
Ito.
Tuto kapag nota.
Sayonara Japan! See you again until our next adventure. Domo arigato!